Right guys, everyone needs to build one of these. Right, so this is the DIY IBC container hot tub made by yours truly, and we are just getting to enjoy it right now. Watch the video, find out how it's built. Everyone, how's it all going? So, getting straight to the point, going to get the hot tub up and running today. It's an absolutely fantastic day, making tons of electricity. All my batteries are full. I'm giving the rest back to the grid, so I thought I'd get the hot tub back up and running after a bit of garden renovation and use that electricity to keep heating the water. I'll show you what we got. So it's a lovely sunny day. It's been sunny for about a week here in the UK, and as you can see, lots of renovation work going on. Lots more to do, a bit of framework there left to do, lawn there, ramp here, finish off the cladding, etc, etc, a bit of woodwork left to do. So yeah, this is made from an IBC container and handmade. It's got the jets, pool heater there, I'll get that out in a minute. We've got a water filter here, we've got all the manifold here that gives you 12 jets, power, etc, etc, everything we're going to need to get some bubbles on the go, get this turned into a little spa. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to take these out. These are my little insulation slabs that just sit in the water. Got our 2 benches right there, as you can see. These do a fantastic job of keeping it nice and warm. This IBC container is filled with Celotex 100mm slab underneath and 50mm on the walls, and then within the remaining gaps I pumped in tons of expanding foam. There's one hole, completely full with expanding foam in there and Celotex. So if this has got boiling hot water in it, it keeps it hot, and you only lose 1 degree of heat per day in the winter. So it's fantastic. You hardly need to heat it up. Right, so unlike most hot tubs, they are water jets. This is an air blower, okay, so it's different. It just blows air bubbles out of the jets. Each of these is an airline, so this blower is a 700 watt blower. You can get heated or not heated. I did heated, had it for about 6 years. It went kaput because I let it get wet, and yeah, I decided to go for a cheaper one which is not heated, but this warms up after about 5 minutes, so there we go, it's heated anyway once it gets going. So I'm just going to get that mounted on the wall, and then all I need to do is put this hose into the top, and that will get the air blower pumping the air through the jets, help me lift up all that dirt off the bottom. Getting there, you can see I've got the water pump and the filter there, all connected back up as it should be. Remember, this was taken out, moved around, concrete slab was put in, decking built around it, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, let's get this connected up, show you that on the go. I wanted to mention that I make so much excess electricity. This is the reason why I want to get this up and running. This heater is about 2.5 kilowatt heater, the pool heater. It's a Best Way, I believe. I'll leave links. But I usually take the hot water from the house, because I usually have a whole cylinder worth of hot water because I've got a solar boost, iBoost. So when I'm making too much, the immersion heater, the element heats up my water in the tank. I've got an old school tank, and that will give me all the hot water, 150 litres I believe, and I can fill this up quite a bit, let it go again for another hour, fill it up again. But because I've got so much right now, I've got the batteries, I've got more solar panels than the last time you saw this. I've just got tons of excess electricity, so I'm going to get this heater on the go and just heat the pool up from cold water that I'm filling up right now. So this is it, this is the one that I've got. It's seen better days. It's a Best Way. That is the model number right there, okay? Right, so I nearly got it full up, well, halfway. As you see, the benches are floating now, so I did have 2 sticks or 2 bits of timber coming up, but they've rotted away years ago. So what I do is just get some granite slabs and I just put them underneath. Seems to do the trick. So 6 and 6. I'll weigh it down. Let's get this bracket fixed. hold it for a minute. And when you've got an air blower, you've got to make sure that is above the water line, because when the air blower stops blowing, the water's going to want to go up the pipe. And if that isn't higher than the water level, it will go up through the pipe and into the blower, and that's where I made the mistake last time. Okay, I'm going to turn it on and see if it works. There we go. The reason these benches are still floating is they need to soak the water up. Even though they've got the stones on them, they haven't been used for ages. They used to sit in the water for a long time. So let that soak up the water, it will drop down and we'll sit in it and we'll use it anyway. I need to put more of these rocks underneath and then it'll go down. All I really need to do is put in the right amount of chlorine and do a little test to make sure I've got the right chlorine levels, and just keep scooping to see if there's any other bits that need to come out. I'm actually pumping in hot water from the house at the moment. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, about 150 litres. So before you know it, that'll be about 30-40 degrees in no time at all. I've got another probably about 200 litres left to go, and then I think it's time to get in. What do you reckon, boys? Yeah. Yeah? Excited? Yeah. Yeah, so first time we've been in for ages. Yeah. Say chocolate. Guys, so this is what I was talking about. I've got a solar iBoost, okay? So anything I don't use, my batteries are full, I'm making tons of electricity, don't want it to go back to the grid, then it will be heating up my tank here, okay? Today I've already heated up 2.73 kilowatts. Yesterday was 3.5 kilowatts. Look at that, I've made 24, you right, little man? A kilowatts worth of electricity just filling this up, and that's what I've been doing because I've got so much. So I'm just taking the hot water from that right now and putting it in the hot tub. It's a no-brainer really, isn't it? It's just boiling hot water. So if you've got solar panels, and yeah, get yourself one of these, use all that electricity, not giving it back to the grid. It's about 1:30, so the sun is starting to go down. I say that, it's not at its highest point now. By about 6 it will be gone. As you can see here from my inverter, I'm making 2 kilowatts with the solar. Top right is how much I'm actually using, so basically my pool heater is using that and a few bits in the house, and it's pulling a little bit from my battery, which is the bottom left. Using nothing from the grid, and as I haven't been for the past 4 months or so since I've had these batteries. So yeah, I am actually heating the pool at the same time, using the hot water from the tank and the pool heater. So hopefully within an hour we'll have a nice full hot tub at about 35 to 40 degrees heat. Happy days. Kids are in. I think time to get bubbles on the go. Who wants the bubbles? No, is that a bit of wood over there? Yeah, it's quite still a few bits of wood. Alright, I think it's time. Joking. How warm is it? Yeah? Yeah, okay. Right, boys, are you ready for the bubbles? Tell me when. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, look at that. I love it. Go. We got the blower hooked up to this remote. There we go. I'll leave links to this right in the description, but I will also make another video on how I built this, hopefully, okay? It was about nearly 10 years ago, but we have so much fun in this in the summer. There we go, we're out, had a bit of fun. This is how I keep it warm. 2 slabs of Celotex in there, and then this bubble wrap kind of blanket, 2 or 3 layers in there, and then we're going to put 2 Celotexes on top and 1 for luck, as we got a spare.